Breast self-examination. You want to start now?
Okay.
To examine your right breast, use your left hand and concentrate mainly on the middle 3 fingers, not on the tips, but this surface. So, if you're lying down or standing up, use left hand, and you examine either in a vertical manner, up, down, up, down, or circular. Okay, so left hand with the right breast, do small circular motions. Your arm will be up across, and don't forget to check your armpit and beneath the nipple. Okay, make sure you don't miss any spots with the left breast. Right hand, this one. Do not use your fingertips. If you have long fingernails, you poke your breast and hurt yourself. Not like that. This way. Okay, and make sure you examine the armpits if you feel any lumps. This about 7 to 10 days after the start of your period. If you're still menstruating, if you don't have your periods anymore, your menopause, either by surgery or natural, pick a day of the month that is easy for you to remember. Maybe the first day of the month or the last day of the month, and do this every month. If you find any changes, also don't forget to gently just squeeze the nipple, not this way, but just do that. If there's anything coming out, discharge from the nipple, go and see a doctor immediately. Don't delay. Thank you.